red lentil sloppy joes. This is Blue Zone, easy recipe, live it right here. Lentils full of fiber, full of big flavor. I like to do a small dice on our bell pepper. I like how it pairs with the size of the lentil. Our red split lentils are very tiny, so it kind of works really well. Okay, next we're just gonna smash and rough chop our garlic. Nothing too fancy, just a quick choppy chop. That's good right there. It's perfect. On the plate with our bell pepper. Now we have our onion. We have our diced onion ready to go. It is time to cook. Got our pan, medium heat. We're gonna add our olive oil. We don't have to go crazy, just enough to help facilitate the sweating of our vegetables. In goes our diced onion, the garlic. We're gonna get those two items going. I like to add the salt right away. It helps release the moisture in the onion. Next goes our diced bell pepper. I'm gonna start sweating our bell pepper. Our bell pepper is getting tender. We have more liquids reducing out of our vegetable. We're gonna start with our tablespoon of mushroom powder, teaspoon smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons chili powder. And we're gonna continue to cook all of our aromatics together. It's gonna really start to release those essential oils in our spices. This is where we just need a little bit of patience. We're gonna give this about 2 minutes cooking like this. We're gonna add our tomato paste and we're gonna saute that for 2 minutes just to start cooking the tomato paste. I know it looks dark right now, but I'm telling you, the flavors are amazing. I combined the molasses, the black vinegar, and the soy sauce just to help dilute the molasses. It makes it easier to get out of the bowl. Incorporate that and just let all of this mixture cook together for 2 to 3 minutes. All right, in goes our 1.5 cups of water. And we're just gonna let this simmer on low for, 5 minutes. All right, we have our lentils, 1.5 cups rinsed, ready to go. We have a pot of boiling water. We're gonna cook our lentils 5 minutes. One of the keys to this whole process is I like to stir the entire time I'm pouring the lentils in. This is gonna help the lentils not stick to the bottom of our pot. And we don't need to boil them, we just need them to be like right under that boil. I believe the parboiling of the lentils is what makes this dish so great. All right, there's our par-cooked lentils. There's our aromatic base. We're now gonna combine the two. Looks amazing. We're gonna mix everything together. That's perfect. So this, off to the oven for about 20 minutes, 425. And we're back. So great, it looks perfect. We have the caramelization around that edge, delicious. Here, let's just dig in and see what's going on. The lentils are still kind of holding their shape. That's it right there. We're gonna just go ahead and kind of stir it all together. And I think next is a taste test. Let's make sure everything's tasting perfect before we build our sloppy joe. Delicious. Check it out, here we go. We got our toasted bun. It's time we start building. All topped with our toasty bun. Let's do it. And I think it's gonna be sloppy, but I don't even care. Amazing, delicious, so good. Talk about 2 building blocks of flavor. We have our aromatics with the spices, and then we have our umami builders with molasses and maple. It's so good, it comes together, it builds this delicious bite. It's so good. I want to take another bite. See you next week as always. Bye.